Welcome to our tutorial on how to delete a message on WhatsApp chat with the updated steps. Let's walk through the process together. Step 1. Open the WhatsApp app on your phone to get started. Step 2. Navigate to the chat that contains the message you wish to delete. Step 3. Press and hold the specific message you want to remove within the chat. Step 4. A menu will appear on the screen. Tap on the Delete option from the menu. Step 5. You'll be presented with two options. Delete for everyone. This choice removes the message for everyone in the chat. Keep in mind that recipients may have already read the message. Delete for me. Opting for this selection deletes the message solely from your chat, without affecting others. Step 6. Select the appropriate option based on your preference, whether you want to delete the message for everyone or just for yourself. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your messages on WhatsApp chat, ensuring you maintain control over your chat conversations. Thank you for watching our tutorial. We hope this updated guide has been informative and helpful in assisting you with deleting messages on WhatsApp chat. Enjoy a more personalized chat experience with these deletion options.